The B-Sharp program is conceptualized as a community engagement program. So instead of creating a new program or an intervention that's separate from existing programs, this one is really designed to integrate people and bring them to existing community music. So the symphony is already happening, and that's an opportunity for people to come and participate and to get out in ways that people with dementia or as they're aging sometimes quit going to community events. The first discovery that we had in the first season was that the impact on mood is much bigger than just the day of the symphony. The influence on mood actually begins a few days earlier in the middle of the week, maybe on Wednesday, as people start anticipating and looking forward to a fun event. And that's something we actually hadn't expected or looked for. We were just thinking about what's the effect that day. So we were really pleasantly surprised to find that the impact on mood is probably about 5 days long, for a few days beforehand and a couple of days afterwards.
There are a lot of people across the state of Colorado, across the U.S., who do not have easy access to really great community events like a symphony, like these amazing theater and dance productions. And so one of the things we're exploring is, can we bring these events to them? Can we bring these events to people who are either homebound or in a long-term care facility and actually can't get out? And can we bring these events to people who live in rural communities, who live hours away from the nearest symphony? And so some of the work we're doing now is we've partnered with the Fort Collins Symphony to record a couple of different symphony events, and we're at sort of the very foundation level of testing, okay, what do people like about this? Can they tolerate being in a virtual environment? And our participants are telling us that they love it, that there's something really magical about being able to watch the musicians and hear the music. And I did a focus group just a week ago, and a participant was telling me, he was like, I wish I didn't have to take the headset off. He's like, if I had one of these, this is what I would do all the time because it's so amazing. And so that's really sort of the next frontier, or the next step. We feel like we have some really good understanding of what happens when people come to these events. Now we need to explore, well, what can we do to try and bridge the gap between people who can't physically come to the events? I really do think that this team is a really unique team at CSU, right? We have faculty who represent something like 6 different departments across campus from 3 different colleges, and we work really well together, and we bring this, I think, really unique and really comprehensive approach to thinking about a very challenging problem.